You had a plan, and somewhere along the way, life just stopped following it. Maybe you're doing everything you were supposed to do, decent job, decent life, and still waking up most mornings with this quiet, unsettling feeling that something is off. Like everyone else got a map, and yours got lost in the mail. Here's what nobody tells you. That feeling is not a sign that you're failing. It's a sign that you're awake. The pressure you're feeling right now isn't random. It's the collision between who you were told to become and who you're actually discovering yourself to be. In your 20s and 30s, you're not just building a career or a relationship, you're rebuilding an identity, and that process is supposed to feel disorienting. Psychologists call it identity reformation. It's the moment when borrowed beliefs stop fitting, and your own values haven't fully formed yet. That gap in between? That's exactly where lost lives. And social media makes it worse. Every time you scroll and see someone thriving, launching a business, traveling, getting married, looking certain, your brain does something automatic. It compares. Not your full story to theirs, but your internal chaos to their external highlight. You're measuring your rough draft against someone else's edited version. That comparison doesn't make you weak, it makes you human, but it is lying to you. Here's the shift that actually changes things. Stop asking, what should I be doing with my life? And start asking, what am I willing to keep doing even when it's hard? Because clarity doesn't come from thinking harder. It comes from small, honest experiments. One conversation you've been avoiding, one skill you've been curious about, one boundary you've been afraid to set. Lost isn't a destination, it's a signal. And signals exist to redirect you, not destroy you. So instead of waiting to feel ready or certain or inspired, start moving, imperfectly, slowly if you have to. Because the people who find their direction aren't the ones who figured it all out first. They're the ones who kept going while they were still figuring it out. You're not behind, you're becoming.